Look at that. Is it worth it? Fuck no. It's not. I'm highly disappointed. So I gave them $200. She kept pointing to the 18% tip to be $217. There is no bloody seasoning on any of this crap. I can't believe I wasted money on this shit. Man, McDonald's sounds way better than this shit right now. I could have even gone to Popeyes and got the one-piece meal. But you live and you learn. I can't believe we wasted this much money over here. This is the first time and last time we ever come here again. Like I said, never again. Never, ever, ever again.